After the proper water mitigation services have taken place and the procedures have been carried out by a professional team, one of the things that you want to look out for is humidity levels inside your structure. One other thing that can affect your home as well is other potential leaks on the outside of the structure. You want to make sure that your gutters are clear and clean. You want to make sure that your space is cleanly. Also, using air filters inside the home and other measures of controlling the humidity are all things that can very likely help your situation and keep your facility clean and healthy.